It's the heart on your sleeve, never making me wonder. It's the bone that we tie up and over and under. You're the sun and the rain, and my grass is always green.
I love you.
With a kiss on my cheek, always letting me know I'm the birds and the bees, I'm the apple in your eye. I know that you know that I know you're all I need. And just when I thought it couldn't get any better, there you go and do it all again. Hope this feeling never ends, 'cause you, you make me happy. You make me happy. It's the sound of your voice at the end of the phone line. A tickle in my toes just to know that you're all mine. Like an ice cream sundae with a cherry on the
Hi,
top.
Kadil! Happy birthday, Manghod! Tuman, wish you all the best. Tapos, I hope nga more tournaments to come. And kanang I hope mo magbinuutan ka diya. Kaya wala pagtawagan ko yung ate, sige na lang. Pero kanang mas siguro makagnaon sa ako. So, ayaw na lang siguro. I hope nga mag-enjoy ni mga day and I hope to see you soon. And akong jersey, ayaw kalimti palihog. Kung pwede ka to UP ha, palihog lang kayo. Kabuhay ka. So, mobi na ako ang gusto nga school. So, thank you kayo daan. Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Mwah!
Oh, ikaw. Ikaw lagi. Ikaw. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kadil! Happy birthday!
Hi, JB! Happy birthday! Wish na ko sa inyo magdugay mo niya, si Lalab, and then more blessings, and then kanang gusto lang kong dito sa mga yung mga jersey ko, ha? Yung kita, alam mo.
Hi Kadil! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Ayun ako silig awaya ha. Jersey na ko.
You
Love you.
make me happy.
Birthday, Kadil! Kadil!
Hello! Come on. Dito tao. Loy, happy birthday. Gawang na, kapilo ko. Promise! Gawang na, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana, more birthdays to come. Then, good health. Tapos, balo na ka. Nahinay lang. Tapos, good luck po sa imong career sa football. Yan. Enjoy life. Then, ayaw po sa break. Grabe ka enjoy na everyday YOLO. Kaya na, ang atong future diya, sayang, di ba? Then, salamat sa tanan. Then, pila na lang ka days, 20 days na lang tayo, magkita na ta. So, kanina siguro sa nakaroon na kung mahatag sa mo, but sa pagkita na to siguro, expect something from me.
Happy birthday!
Love you!